Welcome to Colin Appleyard Suzuki in Keighley. Just going to do a quick demonstration of how to change your clock on your Suzuki Vitara. This will be the same for the S-Cross up until 2019. So here we go. I'll press these two buttons either side of the clocks, press them in together at the same time. Brings up this menu just here. Use your right hand side to twist. Go down to clock settings, push it in. Go to adjust clock. Then you can choose to go up or down to adjust the clock and the time. Select again, and that's it, done on the center console there for you. Go into back, all the way back up to back again, and that puts you back to where you were before. And then in your center console, you just press the settings button just down here. You can see where it goes, it says clock just there. Press clock, and then if you untick summertime, and that changes it back to the winter clocks there. So thank you very much for watching. That's how to change your clock on a Suzuki Vitara from 2015 till present, and S-Cross up until 2019. Thank you.